Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have your business registered in the United States or how to form an LLC, limited liability company for your business in the United States if you are not a citizen of the United States and without you leaving your country. Now, one of the benefits of having your business registered in the United States is that you'll be given access to use Stripe to process payment for your online business. So let's say you have a business and you want your customer to pay you via USD currency. You can easily set up a Stripe account, then use Stripe to collect payment from your customer if you have your business registered in the United States. So other benefits include you having a US bank account, and you also gain access to have an employer's identification number, which is also known as EIN. All right, so if this is something you would like to create for your business, if this is something you like to set up for your online business, I want you to keep watching this video. And if this is your first time visiting this channel, please, I want you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment if you have any question. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so for this to be successful, I'm going to be outlining the list of things that you're going to be needing for you to successfully create your business name in the US or for you to form an LLC for your business in the United States. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is to choose a business name for your company. So after that, you need a state to register your business. And after you've chosen a state, you're going to be needing a registered agent that is going to stand as a bridge between the state and you yourself. So after that, you need a state to file your LLC, then you need to create an operating agreement, then finally get your EIN. So once you have all of this, you've successfully created your business in the United States and you can be a proud owner of an LLC in the United States. All right, so for us to successfully do this, I'm going to be recommending a registered agent that is going to have this done for us, and the name of this agent is INC Authority. Okay, so I'm going to add their link at the description of the video, so you can basically use this website to have your business form in the United States. So you don't have to do any of the stress. They will be the one to carry out the entirety of everything you're going to need to have your business form in the US. All right, so I'm going to be walking us through how we can fill out the form, then they'll be the one to incorporate the business for you. So once everything is done, they would send you a message and also call you to let you know that your business has been formed in the United States. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link, and once you click on the link, you're going to see something like this. All right, so from there we can now proceed to create our business in the United States. So what you want to do now is to click on this Start Now for Free button. So once you've clicked it, it's going to prompt you to choose the business type you want to create. So it's going to be limited liability company. Okay, so just click on the limited liability company, then scroll down, then choose the state you want to create your business. I usually go with Kentucky because they have a cheap filing fee and their annual tax is also cheap. Some people also find Delaware, Wyoming to be also cheap, so you can actually do your own research before you choose your own state, but I usually go with Kentucky. So after that, what you're going to do now is to click Save and Continue. So from here, so this is basically all about the business owner. So this is going to be your own first name and your own last name, then your email address and your phone number. So I'm going to enter my name here, then my phone number. So in the phone number, I would advise you get a US phone number and add it here because they are going to call you to ask more details about the business, or if there's any challenges, they can easily reach you. They're also going to send you an email, but they would like to call you too as well. So I'll suggest you create a US phone number. So if you don't know how to get a US phone number for yourself, I did a video on how to do that, so I'm going to add it somewhere around here, so you can just watch the video to create your own personal US number and use it for your online business. So once you enter your details here, what you want to do now is to click the agree to terms and conditions, then click on save and continue. So the next step is going to be about the LLC you want to create. So the name of the LLC, like I said, you need to choose a business name for yourself. So once you've chosen a business name, you want to enter the business name here, then write a short description on what the business is all about. Now, if the business name you choose is taken already, they are going to send you an email that the business name is taken, so you could also find another name and send it to them, and they're going to find it for you. So the business search name is for free. They're not going to charge you for that. So just make sure your business name is unique and send it to them. So and enter it here. So once you enter it here, enter the description of the business. So I'm just going to go with this, then enter the description for my business. So what you want to do now is you want to scroll down here. So like you see here, it says, will your business accept credit cards? So if you remember, I said one of the benefits of having your business registered in the US is that you'll be able to use Stripe to process payment for your online business. And we all know that Stripe use credit card to receive payment from people that wants to buy stuff online. So what you're going to do now is to click yes here. So after you've ticked the yes here, so you want to choose the category of the business you are trying to create. Okay, so mine is online business. So if your own is real estate or anything similar to this, just tick it. So after you've done that, what you want to do now is to click save and continue. So now the business address for your business. So I did a video on how to get a free US address. So what you want to do now is you want to create a free US address, then use that address as your business address. So I'm going to add the link to the video somewhere around here, so you can actually watch the video on how to set up a free US address, then use that address as your business address. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter the address here. So select the state of the address. So mine is going to be California. Okay, so once you've entered the state here, you want to enter the postal code here. So the next thing you're going to do is, if your business address is different as your shipping address, you can actually indicate that here. But I'm using the business address as the shipping address. So any document that is going to be sent to the business address is going to be received by the shipito that we used to create the address. So from there, you can now have the document shipped to your home country and receive the document. All right, so once you've done that, the next thing we want to do now is we want to click save and continue. Okay, so as you can see here, it says new customer, returning customer. So what you want to do now is you want to click continue as guest. But if you have an account with them already, then you can just log in and continue. So I'm just going to click continue as guest. So here in the beginning, I talked about you getting an EIN for your business. So this is needed, and this is going to cost 49 US dollars. So what you want to do is you want to leave it ticked, then click save and continue. Now, operating agreement is also among what we need. So the only fee you're going to be paying is going to be for operating agreement, the EIN, and the state filing fee. So what you want to do is you want to leave it checked, which is going to cost you 89 US dollars. So click save and continue. Alright, so the legal document with ownership certificate and seal. Now, this is just your business document and a seal with your business name on it. So if you want this, you can actually choose this on. So while I was creating my business in the US, I chose this option. But if you don't want this, it's actually optional. If you don't want this, you can actually choose the no button. So let's just say for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to click on no. So what you want to do now is click save and continue. So express processing is just a way to make the whole process faster. So if you are in haste and you want them to make the whole process faster, you can just go with the express processing, but it's going to cost you 49 US dollar. Okay, so if you want that, you can choose it, but if you don't want it, just click on no here, then click on the save and continue button to proceed to the next step. So at this step, they're going to ask you if you want them to register a domain name with the registered name you choose for your business. So I think this is something you can actually do for yourself. So you can use service like So you can use service like Namecheap to get your own domain name. So if you want them to do that for you, it's going to cost you $10. But if you don't want them to do that for you, you can just click on no. So this is something I can easily do for myself. So I'm going to click the no button, then click save and continue to proceed to the next stage. So these are just a bunch of upsell that they want you to buy to pay extra fee for. So what I usually do is just come here, then click on no, then click on save and continue. Okay, so if you want them to create a bank account for you, which is actually free, but what I usually do is I created a video on how you can actually set up a bank account for yourself. Okay, so what I do is just come here, click on no. So to watch the video on how to set up a US bank account for yourself, I'm going to add the link somewhere around here. So just click on the link to watch the video and set up your own US bank account. So what you want to do now is you want to click on save and continue. All right guys, so I think we are basically done with the form now. So the last thing you're going to choose here is if you want them to deliver the original copies to you by mail, you can actually choose this, and this is going to cost you almost $30. So if you want them to send it via email, so you can just choose the free standard delivery. So everything is going to cost you around 178 US dollar. So this is the total cost you're going to use to set up or create your business in the US. So basically with just 178 US dollar, you can form an LLC for your business in the United States without being a US citizen. So what you want to do now is you want to enter your name here, then enter your card details, then place the order to have your business registered in the US. So once everything is done, once you've successfully placed the order, they're going to start working on it, then get back to you once your business is registered. Alright guys, so this is basically how you can form an LLC for your business or have your business registered in the US without you leaving the comfort of your home. So once you have your business registered, you'll be able to use Stripe and also be given access to other benefits that comes with you having your business registered in the US. Alright, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please do so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.